paying attention to the environmental news over the past few years understand that honeybees have been disappearing at an alarming rate. Beekeepers around the world have been discussing how their beehives leave and don't come back. There seems to be three important facts to contribute the reasons for the bees' mysterious disappearance, which are varroa mites, colony collapse disorder, and pesticides.
Varroa mites are pests that eat honeybees. Varroa mites prefer eating queen or worker bees. Varroa destructor can only reproduce in honeybee colonies. It attaches to the body of the bee and weakens the bees by sucking hemolymph. Most infested colonies die within 1 to 2 years if the beekeeper does not take actions against the varroa mite. You can tell if a bee is infested. Infested bees will be seen leaving the colony and crawling on the grass just outside the hive.
Honeybees, which are a critical link in the U.S. horticulture, have been under serious pressure for a mysterious problem, colony collapse disorder, which is a syndrome defined as a dead colony with no adult bees or dead bee bodies, but with a live queen and usually honey or immature bees still present. No scientific cause for colony collapse has been proven, but CCD stability of beekeeping and potential operations in the United States. Since the 1980s, honeybees and beekeepers have to deal with a host of new pathogens from the foreign virus to Nomisa fungi, new parasites such as varroa mites, pests like small hive beetles, nutrient problems, and lack of diversity or ability in pollen and the nectar sources, and possibilities of lethal effects of pesticides. These problems, of many of which honeybees might be able to survive if there were only one, and often hitting a wide variety of combinations and weakening and killing honeybee colonies. Colony collapse might even be a result of a combination of two or more of these factors and not necessarily the same factors and same in order in every instance.
Pesticide use has become inevitable in modern agriculture, with pesticides consuming increasingly several folds during the last 40 years. The side effects are also increasing, and one of which is toxic to honeybees. According to a new study, pesticides damage the ability of bees to gather food and are also killing them. Since bees are the most important pollinators of crops, the use of pesticides are considerably reduced. The yield of cross-pollinated crops, in addition to the above effects, contamination of bee products, and loss in production of honey, are the other effects caused by pesticides on bees.
In conclusion, honeybees are becoming extinct at a very alarming rate. Without honeybees, most of our foods will go extinct just like the honeybees are. Colony collapse disorder is killing off the honeybees very fast, and so are the varroa mites. But there is something we can do about the pesticides. Us people around the world can try to create a new pesticide that is more bee-friendly. Also, therefore, we can slow down or stop the extinction. Also, young kids or people of any age that have bee allergies, bees only sting or attack if they feel like they are being threatened or attacked.